A 5-minute meeting makes it possible to organize work and bring up problems. It also makes it possible to motivate the team to achieve the objectives and remind people of instructions. The team meets in front of the APSIS board at every shift start. Using the APSIS board as a support for their meeting, each team member presents an assigned topic autonomously. The EPU manager coaches the team and supports if necessary. Let's see an example of a 5-minute meeting, an autonomous team meeting. Each presenter is designated as champion for his topic. The roles are rotating every week according to the site organization. Here, the safety champion begins first. She starts with a review of the previous day event. She mentions a gap. A chemical element was not correctly stored. And she describes the immediate corrective action that was taken. Put it in a safe place. As a conclusion about this topic, the EPU manager moves up to the next level. He insists on this gap, and he makes the team aware of the need to tidy up in the right place. The meeting continues with the quality champion, who presents the status of the previous day. No A or B class defects were detected, but one C class defect was reported. A team member asks for details about this reported defect. Immediate corrective action has been done. The team leader remarks that this is a recurrent event. That is mainly due to the bolt access for the operator. Hence, a long-term corrective action is expected from the industrial engineering team. Now it is the delivery champion's turn. He presents the result on units manufactured as planned. The EPU manager asks for precisions about the planned installations and confirms no blockage. Note that when everything goes well, the topic is brief and concise. Finally, the cost champion reviews the previous day performance and notifies that more operation time was spent versus plan. He explains the reasons. This is due to dismantling gear case that was taking longer time than expected. To close the topics, the EPU manager reminds the objectives to everyone and asks for an action to be taken about this specific issue and will escalate it during cross-functional meeting. We arrive at the final steps of the meeting. There is a quality action to support. Here the team leader writes the issue in open issue list. Thus, he escalates it and will discuss it in EPU meeting. The previous identified issue is written on the open issue list. And finally, the team leader reviews the planning and allocates the jobs to associate. Lastly, the meeting ends with the progress review of the open issues list, which will be replaced by the dynamic board. During this review, they confirm the root cause of the regular breakdown of the battery gun because operators were using the wrong equipment. The recommendation is to use spanners to open bolts greater than M16. This open issue is now closed, and the 5-minute meeting is coming to an end.